Check out this 2021 Chevrolet Corvette. This vehicle still has fewer than 5,000 miles on the clock, so it won't last long. The Chevrolet Corvette Grand Sport, the street-legal track car with an aggressively powerful heart, racing spirit, and the sophistication sought after by serious driving enthusiasts. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: navigation system, electronic stability control, seat memory, trip computer, power windows, bucket seats, four-wheel disc brakes, power steering. There are those who dream and those who do. Don't just dream. Get behind the wheel of the Corvette Grand Sport.